5 shocking animal facts you did not know. 1. Just like people, manatees can get sunburn if they spend too long floating near the surface. 2. Male genta penguins search for the smoothest pebble to give to a female as a way of proposing. 3. Butterflies taste with their feet. The tiny sensors on their feet help them figure out if a leaf is safe to lay eggs on. 4. Studies suggest elephants may view humans the way we see puppies, adorable and harmless. 5. Toratopsis jellyfish can live forever, also called the immortal jellyfish. It can revert its cells back to a younger state instead of dying.